Multiply 208 by 14 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Put 2 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 0 plus the carried 3 is 3. 4 times 2 is 8. The first partial product is 832. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. The second partial product is 2080. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 3 plus 8 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 8 plus 0 plus the carried 1 is 9. In the thousands column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 2912. So 208 times 14 is 2912.